first vlog, ang baba ng energy. So, hi guys! So, right now, hinihintay ko na lang yung binook na in-drive papuntang Araneta. Kasi, pupunta tayo ngayon sa fan meet ng asawa ko. Century 2 na Super Buds with Park Seo-joon. So, bigla ako nawala sa I don't know. Siguro dahil kakagaling ko lang sa sakit or basta nawala ako sa mood. Parang yung excitement ko kahapon, kagabi, biglang nawala. Parang bigla ako nalungkot. But I try my best to enjoy the event later. So, yun. See you there! On the way na. Time check. 4:50. Marcy at Tito Abdul. Hello po! Ano pa pong kailangan dito?
Ay, wala na po. Diretso na po yan
okay
sa
po.
Red Gate.
Red Gate po.
Ay, wow.
Sige po. Pero saan po kinukuha yung freebies?
Doon po may merch booth po doon.
Okay.
Sa may
Sa Red
mismo.
Gate.
Opo.
Doon po yung daan?
Dito po.
Okay, thank you po. Okay, so nandito na ako ngayon sa Araneta. So this is my second time here. My first was concert nung Lainey. Oh my gosh, nahiya ako mag-film. Yun nga. My first experience here in Araneta was nung 2019. So, saan ba ako pupunta? Sige, diretso yun lang natin muna. Saan bang Red Gate? So, looking tayo ngayon for Red Gate. May nakita akong standees ni Park Seo-joon. So, kinapalan ko na yung loob ko. Nagpa-picture na ako. Kasi, wala akong kasama. Ako lang. Ayan. Ako lang yan. Lahat. OMG, first time ko to attend concert or fan meet nang ako lang mag-isa. Here.
Ay, upper back. Kamay na lang, ma'am. Wait lang, ma'am. May poster kayo. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Nakuha na natin yung papasok na tayo ngayon. Tatlo na yan. Traffic.
Begins in just a few minutes. Century Tuna.
Set na tayo. Wala yung sama ng pakiramdam ko talaga. Okay, so papunta na tayo sa Port 9. I remember this hall before nung concert ng Lady. Nakikita ko na yung loob. So, na-excite na ako. Tatakbo na tayo talaga. Ngayon.
Alright. My goodness, all of that squad.
Oh my gosh.
Is about to go into the iconic. Okay ba? Alright. 15 seconds! Okay. The time to beat is 15 seconds. Okay? But you guys did a great job. Really good effort. Thank you. And all of you guys will be joining us on stage during the main show. Pauline Wanzon!
minutes. We will now be drawing a total of 38.
Say protein fit, you say Pak Soju. Na alam niyo naman, di ba? Okay, so let's practice that part. Protein fit. Okay, so let's give it a few tries, alright? Here we go. I say century tuna.
Lakas mga Superbot!
Protein fit.
Heart Circle!
Fit for the spotlight. Fit for any role. The stage is set. And all the lights are on! Like a champion, show up like a star, rise like a hero. The spotlight is exactly where you belong. You are an icon! We are so happy to have you here. How are you?
저는 지금 한국에서 열심히 살고 여러분들에게 멋진 또 모습을 보여드리기 위해서 최선을 다해서 촬영하고 있습니다.
Hello everyone, I am currently working on a new upcoming drama. I'm trying my best to all of you.
Okay, all right. So we're actually going to take a moment to check in with the heart of this Coliseum, which is you guys, okay? Career-wise or personally, that you still want to achieve.
Mag-asawa! Asawa!
Ano bang gusto nyo? Career-wise or personal?
Personal! Asawa!
최대한 이번 인생을 살면서 최대한 많은 곳을 여행을 하고 싶은 게 꿈 중에 또 하나거든요. 그래서 필리핀도 한번 자유롭게 여행을 해보고 싶은 그런 버킷리스트가 있습니다.
One of my dreams is to travel to a lot of different destinations, so I hope that I may also have the chance to travel along Philippines freely.
Real deal event, guys, okay? Are we ready? Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, squat, jump, lunge, squat, jump, squat, jump, squat. Ah! You want to help him?
그리고 개인적으로 한국에서는 어릴 때 완전 아기 때 밥을 잘 안 먹으면 부모님들이 이렇게 김에다가 김치에다가 밥 이렇게 해서 많이 먹어요. 그래서 좀 개인적으로 좀 어렸을 때 그런 맛이 많이 떠오르는 그런 맛인 것 같습니다.
So in Korea, culturally, whenever children don't like to eat, what the parents do is they would put rice in seaweed and they would eat it a lot. So seeing this recipe makes me reminisce my childhood too.
Oh, this is such a meaningful dish. Do you cook at home? Like, Is this something that you
뭐
do?
가끔씩
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yes.
Me too, sometimes.
I tend to be, and I'm like, okay.
How do I eat this? Do I fold it?
You know, I would just do
먹어도
this.
될까요?
Easy to eat as well.
Century tuna is such a versatile product. And you can make so many things with it. But I have to say, the kimchi and tuna combination is a classic. It works so well. And thank you so much.
so
Chef
much.
Donna, can we please give it up for Chef Donna, please?
Bakit ka nang lalabang, Chef?
You can grab one, of course, say hi to Pastor June, and then you can actually try it. So,
Ayan nyo yan. Calma.
okay, half the tray is gone. Here we go, guys. Let's keep it moving. Congratulations.
We hope you enjoy.
You're 10 years old. Okay, what's your name?
Natalia.
Natalia. Okay, you know how the game works, yes? Okay, so here we go. We're gonna take a look at the word that we're looking for on the screen, please. Okay, wait lang. But as a 10-year-old, what do you want to see to Park Seo-joon, who you're looking at on stage right now? Me too, me too. Okay. All right, here we go. That's the word that we're looking for. You know what that is? Okay, here we go. A minute. Time starts now.
음식? food?
Yes, yes.
Yes? 좋아하는 음식이에요?
Yes.
오. 자주 먹어요?
Oh gosh, I hope not.
누들? 누들이에요?
Yes.
라면?
Good job. Congratulations. Well done. Okay, I think we're done with this game. Congratulations to all of our winners. And thank you for helping out, guys. Name of Park Seo-joon's character in Itaewon class. Is it B, A, Ko Dong-man, B, Park Se-roi, or C, Kim Min-yu? The fastest, guys. Fastest. Okay. She's eliminated because she was the last. We have two same answers. So is it A or B, right? You raise A or B. Who got the correct answer? Is it A or B? It's me! Congratulations. Thank you so much for playing. Congratulations to you. All right. It is now time for the prize for our trivia champion. Please give it up once again for all of our players. They did a great job. Of course, Park Seo-joon for keeping us on our toes. Thank you very much. And now, Chingus, this next segment is something that is truly special. A dream moment. Years in the making. How many years have you been a fan? Since birth. Grabe siya. Okay, we're gonna give you, our one lucky fan, what every fan in this Coliseum has imagined at least once, okay? 2 uninterrupted minutes with Park Seo-joon. We're calling it 2 minutes, just you and PSG. Can you come over here as well, please? Okay, so for the next 2 minutes, we're gonna step into a fantasy, okay? We're visiting 5 different scenes, 5 unforgettable moments, all with Park Seo-joon. Are you ready? Ready na ba? Alright, let's begin. 2 minutes, just you and PSG.
minutes of something unforgettable. 2 minutes of you and Park Seo-joon. Let the moment begin. Those words are changing. Your gaze is sight. You're standing at the shoreline. And he's waiting joyously to endless miles of open, not just opening. Take it in. This is your beachside weather. Something short, something real. Now,
Napakaswerte mo!
with him, and hold on to that moment. Ready for the next chapter? From cold rays to flashing lights. Now you're at the arcade. Laughter, play, a little competition. Grab a disc. Let's see how you two do in the game of chance. Ready for more? Side by side in your own private cinema. A short film plays, but the moment between you two says everything. A moment that doesn't need words. One memory just for you. This has been 2 minutes, just you and BSJ.
Congratulations to our winner. I'm sure everybody wants to be you at this moment. Paano ba tayo makakatulog niyan? Congratulations. What was that like?
Parang pwede na po akong mamatay.
Don't say that. Congratulations. Congratulations. Love Fergie. Yes. Where's Fergie? Ah! All right. Thank you so much for writing this message. What would you like to say?
근데 일단 저기 조명 좀 켜주실 수 있어요? 저 뒤에까지도 봤으면 좋겠는데.
Would it be possible for us to open the house lights so I can see each and every one?
Thank you so much, Sojusi, for showing us what it truly means to be fit.
I love you
for
so
any
much.
goal. All right, let's close things off with of course, our Josa Superbot, the one and only Ann Curtis. We have Coach Mauro on stage as well, Christelle and Kirk. Thank you so much, everybody. Do you guys want to say a few words before we wrap things up? Ann? Oh, Coach. Okay, go.
Lakas mo, Superbot. Idol, see you next time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Grabe! What a night being here, of course, with Park Seo-joon. And all of you reminded me that strength isn't about the gym or muscles. It's about showing up, staying true to who you are, and enjoying every role life gives you. So keep chasing your passions and keep showing your strength in every way. Thank you very much, everybody. From the laughter to the kilig, tonight was full of moments that we'll remember. But as we end, we hope this goes beyond just one event. May it be a reminder that like Park Seo-joon, you too are fit for any role. And Century Tuna is here to fuel that journey. Thank you so much for joining us at Century Tuna, Fit for Any Role, Park Seo-joon Ultimate Fan Fest. Good night, everybody. Thank you.
I'm sorry po. That's a wrap. Grabe. Ang bilis. Hey, mahal. Grabe, hindi ko man siya nakita ng malapitan, pero yung salamin ko, hindi to malap. Sobrang labo ng mata ko, hindi ko siya masyadong nakita. Ayoko pa lumaba. Gusto na si Arsenio. Finally, may kasama na ako. Kasi dapat kasama ko siya papunta dito. Kaso may meeting pa siya. So, sumunod na lang siya. Para may kasama ako pa ako. Okay, so kain na after ng hindi ko ma-explain kasi napakasayang fan meet. Kanina kasama namin si Park Seo-joon. Ito si Park Junjun.